Oh, shit. Do you see that shit right there? Oh my fucking god. Bro, that's a whole fucking tree right there. Oh my. Look at that. That crushed the fucking car. Oh my fucking god. Whoa. You see that shit? Now look. Came from up there. Fucking goddamn. That's fucking crazy. How it smashed this fucking car out. Back window and everything. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Thank God there was nobody in that car when it happened. That I know of. That's fucking nuts. Jesus fucking. That's all I can say. Jesus fucking. It's unbelievable. I wasn't doing this video right now, you wouldn't believe me. Gotta go. Bye.